Hi! Today we are going to learn to make these cute paper handbags. It will be a perfect gift for coming Mother's Day. So, I have drawn and cut a circle of 20 centimeters diameter from an A4 size tinted paper. Now fold it into a half and mark on 5 centimeters from both the sides. Take 7 centimeters distance in rounder and mark on the circumference like this. Now fold connecting these markings. Fold from the other side also. Now put this portion inside. Open the circle and stick the surfaces as shown here. For decoration, I'm using this golden pearl stickers, however you can decorate as per your wish. For making it cuter, I'm attaching this satin ribbon bow. You can get the detailed tutorial here. These are 2 centimeters broad strips I have cut from the remaining portion of a 4 size paper, and I have stuck a double-sided tape to it. Let's connect them. So, your cute paper handbag is ready. Isn't it very easy to make? You can gift it on other occasions also, like birthday or anniversary. You can even make it in bulk and give as birthday return gift. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.